At Xymox, we understand how important our product is to your success. When we start out a project with you, you want to know that you're going to get the right results from Xymox. Every good business practice about Xymox is focused on results. We've been doing business here for 40 years now, making the highest quality products that we can for your needs. At Xymox, you can get products that are designed and manufactured right here in the United States of America. Another one of our core values here at Xymox is our employees. And we feel that in order for us to have a successful business, we have to have successful employees.
Enabling.
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 Enabling the power of touch.